Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a new topic of the Quranic Arabic Simplified course. Today we are on lesson number 19, which will start a very important topic on possessive construction called idafa in Arabic. Please find any videos that you have missed by watching the playlists with titles Quranic Arabic Simplified or Madinah Arabic Shortened. Please comment and share the videos to spread knowledge and to give barakah to this channel, inshallah. Let us now begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So, the idafa is one of the fundamental structures in Arabic where two or more nouns are attached together to form a relationship of possession or belonging. Okay? So the relationship between these two nouns may be thought of in English equivalent to the of construction, or English also used the apostrophe s. For example, we can say messenger of Allah, or we can say with an apostrophe, we can say Allah's messenger. So this term right here, Rasulullahi, is the idafa construction. Okay, so Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah, is the Rasulullahi. So here we can see there's two nouns, Rasulu and Allahi. So these two nouns together make the idafa construction, which is a possessive type of construction called the idafa construction in Arabic. Now let's go over some examples of the possessive construction, the idafa construction. Okay, so the first term here is Kasrul Maliki. It means the palace of the king, or you can say the king's palace. Okay, it denotes possession. So Kasru is the palace and Al-Maliki is the king. So, Kasrul Maliki means palace of the king. So, you hear the of term, right? Which indicates possession, or you can say king's palace. Okay? So, now let's learn some more terminology. So, the first term here is Kasru. And the first term of this type of construction is called Al-Mudaf. And the second term, which is Al-Maliki, is the second term here, and it is called Al-Mudaf ilayhi. Okay, so in Arabic we have seen that the possessive constructions consists of two nouns attached together in this idafa construction. So let's take a look at another example here. Kitabu Bilalin. So we can say book of Bilal, or we can say Bilal's book. You see, Bilal is the owner of this book. So once again, the first term we said is called Al-Mudaf, and the second term is Al-Mudaf ilayhi, right? So Kitabu Bilalin, the book of Bilal. Another example here is Baytul Imami, the house of the Imam, right? The Imam's house. So the first term, Baytu, we say is Mudaf. And the second term is Al-Imami, and we say this is Mudaf ilayhi, right? So the first term is the thing that is possessed, and the second term is the possessor or the owner, right? Okay, so over here it says the first term is mudaf, in this case the kitabu, and Bilalin is the possessor, it is called mudaf ilayhi. So today we studied the al-idafa construction, which we said is the of construction in English. So we saw how two or more nouns can be put together to indicate possession or of type of construction. We saw the first term is called mudafun and the second term is called mudafun ilayhi. So for example, if we say Kitabu Muhammadin, it means book of Muhammad. So book or Kitabu is the first term called mudaf and Muhammadin is the second term called mudafun ilayhi. So now let's take some examples from the Quran which will give you some vocabulary from the Quran. So the first is Ashabul Jannati. It means people of the paradise. May Allah make us of the people of the paradise. So Ashab can mean people or companions. Ashabul Jannati. So the first term is mudaf and the second term is mudaf ilayhi. Similarly, Ashabun Nari. People of the fire. The next one, Ashabul Fili. It means people of the elephant. Fil is elephant. The next one is beautiful. It is Nasrullahi. Help of Allah. May the help of Allah come to us. Nasrullahi. So help of Allah. Okay, this is idafa construction. Nasr means help. It is called the mudaf and Allahi is the mudaf ilayhi. So the next one is also very nice. Abdullahi, slave of Allah. So here Abdu is the first term called mudaf. It means slave and Allahi is the second term, right? It is mudaf ilayhi. And the next one is also beautiful. Rahmatullahi. May the mercy of Allah be on us. So rahmatu is mudaf and Allahi is mudaf ilayhi. Okay, and the last one, may Allah give us the capacity to visit his house. Baytullahi, house of Allah, right? Baytu is mudaf and Allahi is mudaf ilayhi. Baytullahi, house of Allah. So let's keep going with more examples. The first one is Narullahi. It means fire of Allah, or we can say Allah's fire. May Allah give us the protection from Narullahi. The next one we have seen before, Rasulullahi. So that is Allah's messenger, or we can say messenger of Allah. The next one we have seen also, Nasrullahi. It means help of Allah, or we can say Allah's help. The next one is Hadithul Junudi. It means the story of the army. So Hadith can mean sayings or story, and Al-Junud is the army. So the story of the army. Hadithul Junudi. The next one is Hizbush Shaitwani. It means the group of shaitan or the group of satans. So Hizb means group or party. Okay, so Hizbush Shaitwani. The next one is Sahibul Huti, means companion of the fish. So Hut can mean fish or whale. Okay, so that is companion of the fish. And the next one is Yaumul Fasli. Okay, so the day of decision. So Yaum is day and Al-Fasli, it can mean in this context the decision referring to the day of judgment. Okay, Yaumul Fasli. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.